guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I have for you a Lowe's Halloween decor shop with me video. I stopped by Lowe's to pick up some pumpkins that were $19.98 to do some Halloween pumpkin toppers on them. Those would be perfect though to do a fall pumpkin topper, so I'm going to do one of those tutorials soon, so just hang on, I'll do one soon. But I bought two of these right here, and I did on the taller one, I did a really cute DIY for it, and I can link that tutorial for you if you haven't seen it, plus I'll add a picture at the very end. But they have some really cute pumpkins, and these are $20. They light up. They're a plastic material, and they just had all kinds of things. I only do cute Halloween decor, but I know some of you like this scary stuff too, so I did try to take a video of a little bit of everything. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. I share lots of shop with me videos and lots of budget-friendly DIYs and some decorating videos.